Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making a classic comfort dish, chicken and broccoli Alfredo with fettuccine. Get ready for a delicious meal. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fettuccine, chicken breasts, broccoli florets, heavy cream, butter, Parmesan cheese, garlic, olive oil, and some salt and pepper. We'll start by preparing the chicken. Slice your chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. Season them with a pinch of salt and pepper. This will enhance their flavor. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the seasoned chicken pieces and cook them until they're golden brown and fully cooked through. Set aside once done. Now, for the broccoli. Bring a pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Add the broccoli florets and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until they're tender crisp. Drain them well. It's time to cook the fettuccine. Follow the package directions, boiling it in salted water until al dente. Reserve about a cup of the pasta water before draining. Let's make the creamy Alfredo sauce. In the same pan you cooked the chicken, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute. Pour in 2 cups of heavy cream. Bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring constantly. Don't let it boil rapidly, we want a smooth, rich sauce. Gradually add 1½ cups of grated Parmesan cheese to the sauce, stirring until it's completely melted and the sauce thickens. If it's too thick, add a splash of the reserved pasta water. Season the Alfredo sauce with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Remember, the Parmesan cheese is already salty, so taste as you go. Add the cooked chicken and the blanched broccoli florets to the Alfredo sauce. Stir gently to coat everything evenly. The colors are already looking fantastic. Finally, add the drained fettuccine to the pan with the chicken, broccoli, and Alfredo sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is thoroughly coated with the creamy sauce. Serve immediately. Garnish with extra grated Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of fresh parsley if you like. This dish is best enjoyed hot. Look at that! A beautiful, creamy, and satisfying chicken and broccoli Alfredo with fettuccine. Perfect for a family dinner or a cozy night in. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your creations with us.